Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Welcome to INE's Routing Technologies for Beginners video course. I am Peter Koluzny. I've been in the field of networking for over 12 years. I hold CCNA, CCNP, and CCIE Cisco certifications. This course is going to be a great starting point for people with no previous networking experience, like students who prepare to take their CCNA Routing and Switching Cisco certification exam, or essentially people who want to start their career in networking. And specifically what we will focus on in this course is going to be operations of a layer-free network. So my goal when I was creating this course was to make sure that anyone who finishes this series will be able to properly configure, verify, and troubleshoot various layer-free network technologies and protocols. And now, in particular, what we will take a look at in this series is gonna be IP routing. That is probably the most important process that is taking place on the layer-free devices. And now when we understand what IP routing is and what it does, we will move on and discuss individual routing protocols commonly deployed in any modern networks. Thank you guys for watching this short introduction. I hope you enjoy this series, and I'll see you in the course.